Now, I'd like to introduce you to the brass band. There's quite a lot of these. So can we have our brass band standing up on the stage?
I'm not so
Now, as you can see, we've got trombones at the end. They're the big ones. And they're going to be playing our bass line. So they're holding us all together. And we've got these funky trumpets here as well, who are playing all the, what they call stabs and things, where they jump in and they make the music exciting. I'm going to be playing the tune, which is what the year sixes have been practicing. They're pretty good at it as well. So I've got a lot to live up to. And we're going to play you a piece called Mercy, Mercy, Mercy by a guy called Joseph Zarin. It's a little bit of jazz. I hope you like it. Just blow me a C for a feedback, just to get your attention. So you can hear the kind of noise they're going to make. Good. Are you ready? 1,